Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of history. So first question is, Mughal painting reached its zenith under whom? Option A, Humayun. Option B, Akbar. Option C, Jahangir. Option D, Shah Jahan. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number C, Jahangir. So Jahangir was the Mughal emperor from 1605 to 1627, and under Jahangir, Mughal painting reached its zenith. So this was all about question number first. So now let us discuss question number second. With reference to Indian history, which of the following is or are the essential element of feudal system? First, a very strong centralized political authority and a very weak provincial or local political authority. Second, emergence of administrative structure based on control and possession of land. Third, creation of lord-vassal relationship between the feudal lord and his overlord. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option B, 2 and 3 only. So a person becomes a vassal by pledging political allegiance and providing military, political, and financial service to a lord. A lord possessed complete sovereignty over land or acted in the service of another sovereign, usually a king. So if a lord acted in the service of a king, the lord was considered a vassal of the king. As part of the feudal agreement, the lord promised to protect the vassal and provided the vassal with a pilot of land. The land could be passed on to the vassal's heirs, giving the vassal tenure over the land. So this was the question that was about feudal system. You should know what is the feudal system, what is the difference between Jagirdari and Zamindari system. You should also know what do you mean by Jagirdari system, what do you mean by Zamindari system. So these are very important topics from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So you should cover this topic from standard sources. So now let us discuss question number 3. The plan of Sir Stafford Cripps envisaged that after the Second World War, option number A, India should be granted complete independence. Option B, India should be partitioned into two before granting independence. Option C, India should be made a republic with the condition that she will join the Commonwealth. Option number D, India should be given dominion status. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number D, India should be given dominion status. So the main proposals of the plan of Sir Stafford Cripps was that an Indian union with a dominion status should be set up. It would be free to decide its relations with the Commonwealth and free to participate in the United Nations and other international bodies. Cripps proposed to give dominion status to India after World War II. So this was the question that was asked in 2016 prelims examinations by UPSC. So you should know what is Sir Stafford Cripps plan, which is also known as Cripps plan. You should also know other topics like cabinet mission and August offer. So you should know about all these important topics after 1940s. So these are very very important, especially after 1940s. So every year UPSC asks one question at least from this topic. So now let us discuss question number 4. Which one of the following statements does not apply to the system of subsidiary alliance introduced by Lord Wellesley? Option A, to maintain a large standing army at others' expense. Option B, to keep India safe from Napoleonic danger. Option number C, to secure a fixed income for the company. Option D, to establish British paramountcy over the Indian states. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number C, to secure a fixed income for the company. So point A, B and D were the salient features of subsidiary alliance. Hence option number C doesn't apply. So you should know all the features of subsidiary alliance and you should also know about doctrine of lapse. So this is very important topic and this question was asked in 2018 prelims examination. So you should know about this topic. So now let us discuss the final question of this video, that is question number 5. Which one of the following territories was not affected by the revolt of 1857? Option A, Jhansi. Option B, Chittor. Option C, Jagdishpur. Option D, Lucknow. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number B, Chittor. So the leader of Jhansi was Rani Lakshmi Bai and Lucknow was Begum Hazrat Mahal and Jagdishpur of Bihar was Kunwar Singh. So all the three regions like Jhansi, Jagdishpur and Lucknow was affected by a revolt of 1857, but Chittor was not affected by the revolt of 1857. So this revolt of 1857 is also known as the First War of Independence, and there are many theories about this revolt. So you should know all the aspects of this revolt. So you can read more about revolt of 1857 from standard sources. So this was all about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you.